Hello guys, welcome back to a walk through the Twisted Destiny in this is Encounter side quest in Where the Winds Met. So let's get straight into it. So visit this bamboo retreat. So I will start space track like so. Um, and let's start it like here. So first of all, you will need to defeat the wolf pack right here, uh, and then read the challenge right letter to Jiang, and here uh, this one you can also read, but now I can. After that, come here to this change outfit. Okay, so now we change our outfit. So we change to Uncle Jiang's outfit, and now we need to head 800 meters to that side. So I will just jump there. Okay, so once you have disguised yourself as Uncle Jiang, make your way to the general shrine just northwest of the bamboo retreat. I will show you here on the map, right here. And what we need to do now is take place here. Okay. Okay, so once at the location, wait until the Z hour to progress the quest and trigger cutscenes. So as what can we do is we can wait 1 minute or 1 meter is this, sorry. So we can change this to Z hour. So I will try to do that like so. Space confirm. So now the headsman will challenge you to a duel. After the cutscene, your character will only be equipped with a nameless sword, and you won't have access to any mythic arts and inner ways. Once you reduce his health to half, that will stop the duel after. Okay. It's more like cutscene uh, challenge. After that, we will need to gather some clues. Now the cutscene take over, I guess. Now he's recognized you are not Jiang Zhen. Okay, now we need to find the clues. So the first clue is bloody sack. So it's sitting on the table located right in front your character after the cutscene. So right over here, investigate it. Like that. Uh, then so after that we can find confession letter right here, I guess. I think is this one. Confession letter, yes. So then we have here the general teaching is located right over here. Next, now we need to investigate two statues. Okay, so one is right over here. Statue's face, and the other one right here. Now the final one will be at the base of the statue of the general. So alright, so now okay, so it's I will take that one here. I found something. Okay, so the next one is right over here. Investigate. Like so. Okay, so now we need to conclude our deductions. So I will press L to view clues. And now we have here, so like that. Okay, start deduction. So I will go with statue, face, and confession letter. Okay, link. Let's go. Then we have what? Remember the general's teaching. I will link this with a general that repeat with heads. Then once who wrong the general, I will link with this from respect to blind devotions. And this one we will link with a resident of Hesfield village. So as you can see, we have linked the correct clues together to progress the deduction minigame and find out the headsman's next location, which is 2 kilometers away. So we need to make our way to the Harvest Fall village right over here. And we will need to eavesdrop on the headsman and the ranked soldier. So a short cutscene will play and you will need to fight the headsman again, as you can see. Okay, so we need to listen them. Okay, so now we have all our mythical skills and we will need to reduce headsman's life to half again. Once you reduce his health to half, speak to him after the cutscene and he will ask you to get some wine from Blissful Retreat. Let's go. Okay, so speak with him. Okay, so now we need to follow him. So it can take a while. Okay, so now we make our way to Blissful Retreat and grab the wine, which is hidden right here between these rocks. Then give it to the headsman you just north of the area, so 100 meters away. Again, a cutscene will play where he will tell you of his plan on how to get more information from the deranged soldier. Offer him a wine, submit. So now after the cutscene, we need to go and make our way to the Harvestfall village. Okay, put down the wine jar. Now the cutscene will play off. Okay, so now after the cutscene, use the Vincennes to follow the deranged soldier footprints. Uh, so, alright again. Okay, so they are here. Like so. And right over here. Okay, so confront the confront we will need to confront this deranged soldier one last time. Headsman. And here, and this is another cutscene which reveals that what really happened to the general, which also concludes the encounter. And that will be probably everything for today's video. How to finish the Twisted Destiny. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.